Define roof overhangs with roof eave command. Activate the command by clicking on the plan view. Any slopes where the cornice can be inserted are highlighted in orange. The cornice can be drawn starting from the perimeter of the roof and inward. The chosen side is highlighted in green. Insert the cornice using drawing snaps. Or define the length by typing it from the keyboard. The cornice is displayed in white in the 3D view. Easily modify the previously inserted cornices too.